Royal Enfield made quite an impact in the Indian market with the launch of their 650 twins. Now both these motorcycles are absolutely fab, the most affordable twin-cylinder engine motorcycles, and between the Interceptor and the Continental GT, we personally prefer this one, the Continental GT, because this is a motorcycle which, although has the same engine as the Interceptor, the riding position is a game changer because it's sportier to ride and of course the handling is better too. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the performance of this motorcycle to tell you that after a year, is this motorcycle still as relevant as last year? The design of the Continental GT 650 is fresh. It is timeless and it looks like it's just come out from the drawing board. Dare I say it, it is by far the best looking motorcycle south of rupees 5 lakhs. Now we've got a new color here, but the only place where the color actually changes is this, the tank. And we actually love this MotorBeam blue here. And while the design is something you will definitely like, what you might not like is the fact that this instrument cluster could have offered a lot more information. Yes, it is kind of basic and could have done with all the information which the Thunderbird offers. However, today we are going to be talking about the heart of the matter. It is a twin-cylinder engine, it's a parallel twin unit and definitely the most smooth and refined one from Royal Enfield. It also has a lot of punchy performance on offer. Unfortunately, the fueling isn't that great and there is some unevenness and jerkiness in the power band. But on our test bike today, we have got something which actually addresses all the issues with the engine of the Continental GT 650. It is Race Dynamics PowerTRONIC unit, which is a plug-and-play device and claims an additional 2 bhp of power. ECU stands for Electronic Control Unit, which is also known as Engine Control Module. It is an electronic unit which controls fueling and ignition according to RPM and throttle input. And when I say plug and play, well, there is some amount of effort which is required to install it because you have to remove the tank. However, the good news is that you don't have to cut any wire whatsoever because all the plugs from the Race Dynamics unit actually plugs into Royal Enfield system flawlessly. There is no space below the seat to actually put the PowerTRONIC unit. You need to remove the toolkit in which the PowerTRONIC unit actually sits. However, the beauty of this thing is that you can go back to stock immediately by replacing the Race Dynamics ECU with the stock coupler, which also comes with the package. The Race Dynamics PowerTRONIC comes with two maps, Map 1 and Map 2. Meanwhile, Map 1 is a bit sedate because it increases the overall performance in a linear fashion, improving the low as well as the mid-range. The Map 2 is slightly more aggressive, increasing the overall performance right from the low end to the mid-range as well as in the top end. This aftermarket plug-and-play ECU eradicates the flat spots in the power delivery of the Royal Enfield Continental GT 650cc motor. However, we are running on a complete stock setup here, which means that the difference isn't that big. It is definitely noticeable, although marginal, without the replacement of an air filter or even an exhaust here. In Map 2, the real difference can be felt in the top end. It reaches the top end much faster, although it does not redline any further than what the stock model does, which is actually a good thing for reliability reasons. The throttle response now has become much more likable. However, there is no change to the exhaust note or even the gear shifts for that matter. But Race Dynamics does offer a quick shifter option with this PowerTRONIC box. So while this motorcycle is quicker in terms of outright performance, the real difference can be felt in terms of in-gear acceleration. That's why we present to you a table which will differentiate the stock performance as well as the performance with the two maps on offer from the PowerTRONIC unit. The Continental GT 650 is a fantastic motorcycle. It looks the part, and unlike most Royal Enfield motorcycles, this one actually has the go to match the show. With the PowerTRONIC box installed, it feels a lot more likable due to the eager performance and the more refined nature of this engine thanks to the maps on offer. The 650 twins are fantastic. In fact, they are by far the best motorcycles from Royal Enfield, and we can't wait till it becomes the 650 triplets, where the third motorcycle having the 650cc engine should be the Himalayan. But the wait could be long, so I'm just going to end this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it the thumbs up, that's the like button, and also subscribe to the MotorBeam channel.